Hey everyone, I am Milan from MK Designs and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are looking at the Shorty Kit XL, the bigger version of Shorty Kit Small, designed to give your Royal Enfield an even cleaner and more functional rear end. So Shorty Kit XL is 100 mm longer than the Shorty Kit Small, matching the length of the stock dual seat that comes with the motorcycle. It's designed to remove the extra overhang found on the stock frame, giving the bike more balanced and streamlined look. First up is the Brad Seat XL. This seat provides the classic rugged look but in a longer version, perfect for two people and with more balanced aesthetics. Next, we have the Café Racer Seat XL, which brings a race inspiration design while maintaining the functionality of a longer subframe. The Café Racer seat, the option continues that sleek race-inspired look, but we have another option on this. We can have a cowl. So we have this cowl. This is the FF650 cowl, and this bolts here. And similarly, we have another design. This is a little retro modern design which matches the line of the motorcycle. One of the best things about the Shorty Kits is how easily you can swap and switch between the Shorty Kits in under like 10 to 15 minutes. This job can easily be done by anyone at home. This specific Shorty Kit has been designed keeping in mind that a pillion can sit even after chopping the rear frame. The maximum weight capacity that the Shorty Kit can hold is 80 kg. It's perfect for women and children.